We implement complete EMS projects, from the purchase of components to the delivery of the final product to the required address. The sales department is ready to respond to all customer requirements. Purchasing staff will supply all the necessary material according to the production documents supplied by the customer. The supplied material is received by incoming material inspection, where our controllers check and eliminate all discrepancies to ensure a flawless start of the assembly. At the beginning of the production cycle, each production unit receives a 2D code that is connected with this product throughout the entire production process. For the PCB assembling process, we utilize 2 SMT mounting lines with automatic stencil printer, convection reflow oven, and several assembly machines with different parameters. We test the assembly accuracy of electronic components, such as packages with hidden ball grid array or packages without pins, using X-ray, which provides high-resolution 2D X-ray technology and 3D computed tomography in a single system. The manufacturing wiring through whole assembly services is realized at workplaces for shaping and manual mounting of printed circuit boards. The mounted PCBs are soldered at soldering waves. According to the customer's technical specifications, we choose from full tunnel or a selective soldering wave. During the production process, interoperational inspections, such as automatic optical inspections and a digital microscope, are included in the technological processes. We rework any detected discrepancies at a workplace equipped with a PDR repair station, enabling repair of BGA and other components. We provide a mechanical application of a protective layer of varnish on fully automated line of assemblies designed for operation in harsh environments. The next step in the production chain is manual PCB assembly of through-hole components, their manual soldering, and installation of mechanical parts. All products must go through their final inspection and operational control, where the initiation of product starts. Firmware is uploaded, set up and tested by our coworkers. All initiated and checked products are carefully packed according to the standards and customers' requirements and stored in our warehouse. They wait to be dispatched to our customer or any recipient defined by our customer.